To be safe on the internet, you should follow these best practices.
Keep your software and devices up to date with the latest security patches and updates. Software and device manufacturers regularly release security updates to fix vulnerabilities and protect against new threats. By keeping your software and devices up to date, you can help reduce your risk of falling victim to a cyber attack. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication when possible. Strong passwords that include a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols make it much harder for hackers to guess or crack your password. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, as it requires you to provide an additional code or confirmation when logging into your account. Be cautious when clicking on links or downloading attachments from unknown sources. Phishing scams and malicious software often spread through email or instant messaging, so be cautious when opening links or downloading attachments from sources you're not familiar with. Keep your personal information private and don't share sensitive information online. Don't share your personal information or sensitive information, such as passwords or credit card numbers, online. This information can be used by hackers to steal your identity or commit fraud. Use antivirus and anti-malware software and keep it updated. Antivirus and anti-malware software can help protect your computer from viruses, malware, and other security threats. It's important to keep your antivirus and anti-malware software up to date to ensure it can detect and protect against the latest threats. Use a virtual private network, VPN, when using public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks are often unsecured, which makes it easier for hackers to intercept your internet traffic. By using a VPN, you can encrypt your internet traffic, making it much more difficult for anyone to snoop on your activities. Avoid oversharing on social media and be careful what you post online. Oversharing personal information on social media can make it easier for hackers or cyber criminals to steal your identity or commit fraud. Be mindful of what you post online and be cautious when sharing sensitive information. Be wary of phishing scams and emails claiming to be from reputable sources. Phishing scams are emails that appear to be from reputable sources, but are actually designed to steal your personal information or install malware on your computer. Be cautious of emails that ask for your personal information or that contain links or attachments from unknown sources. Back up important data and files regularly. Regularly backing up important data and files can help you recover your data in the event of a cyber attack, hardware failure, or other disaster. Stay informed about online security threats and educate yourself about safe online behavior. The internet is constantly evolving, and new security threats are emerging all the time. Stay informed about the latest online security threats and educate yourself about safe online behavior to help protect yourself and your data.
I hope that you've learned a lot from my video. Don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell button for more updates. If you want to request a specific topic, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you and good day.